Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to tear down the iPhone 12 mini for repairs. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the teardown, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone, then remove the SIM tray and undo two bottom screws by using pentalobe screwdriver. To take out the screen, apply a little heat to soften the glue. For this, you can use a heat gun, heat pad or hair dryer. And then use a suction cup to lift the front assembly. Here we are using a double-sided suction cup. Create an opening and insert a picker to move around the phone to release the rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and then remove the screw to take out the shield. Then undo the battery plug. Next, move to the top and take out the shield by undoing 5 screws, and then disconnect the LCD and the earpiece assembly plug to separate the screen from the body. Now on the screen, undo 4 screws and remove the earpiece and sensor assembly. Be gentle and peel the flex cable step by step. Next, on the body, remove the battery by loosening the adhesives. There is a black color sticky tab on the top and the bottom of the battery. Peel it and take it out slowly. And then lift the battery by using a pry tool. Next, to remove the rear camera, first undo 2 screws and take out the shield, and then disconnect 2 plugs to take out the camera. Next, disconnect 3 plugs and take out the front camera and Face ID assembly. Next, move to the bottom left and take out the Taptic engine. First, undo 3 screws and take out the shield, and again one more screw and plug to release. Next, on the bottom right, loosen 4 screws and take out the speaker module. Next, to take out the logic board, undo 4 screws and disconnect 6 plugs on the board. And also, do not forget to take out the plate on the top right. Now we can take out the logic board by using a tweezer. Be gentle when you are taking out the board. There may be plugs or tapes attached to the board. Next, on the top left, undo 4 screws and take out the Wi-Fi flex. Next, on the top center, undo 2 screws and take out the LED flash sensor cable. Be gentle while peeling the flex cable. Next, on the top right, where the edge of the rear camera, undo 2 screws and take out the Bluetooth flex. Finally, take out the charger port flex, undo 11 screws and gently lift the cable while peeling. The sticky under the flex cable is a little strong. Be careful and peel the flex cable. And this concludes our teardown guide for repairs, but still there are wireless coil and button flex cables in the body. Stay tuned for more videos, hit the subscribe button and let us know what you think in the comment section. Thanks.